data transfer modifier in Blender has two magical superpowers. Smooth out surfaces that appear topologically problematic due to poor modeling or excessive Boolean operations, and join two surfaces that aren't actually connected, creating the illusion of a seamless mesh. It has other abilities as well, especially for anime-style rendering, but I'll skip that for now. In a previous 50-second video, linked in the description, I showed how to use this technique to smooth out surfaces. No video length trolling, just straight to the point. Today, I'll show you how to use the data transfer modifier to join two surfaces without manually merging them. Step 1. Create a vertex group and assign the connecting areas weight in a gradient from 1 to 0. Now it doesn't have to be as precise as what you're seeing here. You can also use values like 1, 0.8, 0.6, 0.4, 0.2. I'm just doing it this way as an example. Step 2. Apply the data transfer modifier. Set the other object as the source. Choose the vertex group. And check face corner data, custom normals, and nearest face interpolated. Step 3. There are no step 3. See how straightforward it can be? There are other videos that took 10 minutes to explain this and have 100,000 times more views than this. Excellent video length trolling. You won't believe what I use it for now. I used it to connect a character's ear to their head. Normally, the head's topology is antithetical to the ear's topology. So much so that one has to drastically modify the area where they are connected just so that the connection can be made at all. Some didn't even bother and just put the ear inside the head a little bit and call it quit for cartoon characters. Using this technique, you can keep the topologies as they are and still have the connecting parts look like a single mesh. I love this trick. I use it all the time. This is Bracercom, and I'll see you next time.